Imagine a world where coding isn't about writing lines of code, but simply describing what you want, and AI builds it for you. Welcome to the era of vibe coding. Is this the end of traditional coding or the beginning of something even bigger? The term vibe coding was introduced by AI expert Andre Karpathy in early 2025. It's a new way of programming where instead of manually writing every line of code, developers just describe their goals in natural language and AI generates the code. Think of it as coding with vibes instead of syntax. You just tell the AI what you want and it figures out the rest. With vibe coding, developers interact with AI through voice commands or text prompts. The AI understands the intent, writes the code, and even refines it based on feedback. But it's not just about generating code, it's also about debugging, optimizing, and improving code efficiency. Now, the million dollar question: will vibe coding replace human programmers? AI can assist developers, but creativity, logic, and problem solving skills will always be valuable. Programmers won't be replaced, they'll become AI directors rather than mere coders. So instead of worrying about AI taking jobs, the real opportunity is learning how to collaborate with AI effectively. If you want to try vibe coding yourself, here are some tools to get started. The key is not just using these tools, but learning how to think in prompts rather than syntax. Vibe coding is still in its early days, but one thing is clear: it's changing the way we think about programming. So, are you ready to code with vibes? I want to hear from you. Drop a comment below. Do you think vibe coding is the future, or is traditional coding here to stay? If you found this video insightful, smash that like button and hit subscribe for more AI and tech content. We are diving deep into the future of coding and you don't want to miss it. And if you are ready to try vibe coding yourself, check out the best AI coding tools linked in the description. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.